In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 outdoor decor DIY projects, and most of the items I used are from Dollar Tree. So if you want to see how I made these, keep on watching! Hey friends, welcome back! If you were new, my name is Eileen. Welcome to my channel! Thanks for tuning in! I am participating with a collab called The Inspired Me, and it's hosted by Amber from DIY with Amber. We are recreating each other craft, and we also have playlist, so make sure to check it out because these ladies are very talented. Yeah, so let's get started. For this DIY, you need this wheel and hello sign from Dollar Tree. And I grabbed these spring picks from Joann's. It was 70% off, so each pick was about $1.59 each. And these are so beautiful. I got 2 of each design. And first, I joined the stem together. Then I wrapped the picks with the floral wire from Dollar Tree, and I don't even need to arrange it because it's already has a beautiful arrangement. And here I am using the floral wire to tie the picks on the wheel, and I also added more floral wire on the side so that I can add more picks later on. And it looks like this, it looks like a spring wreath. And to make it more fuller, I added these roses from Dollar Tree. I inserted it on the floral wire that we put on the sides. And I have these belly button picks from Walmart. I added it. This is still look like spring wreath, so I added lemon to make it more summery. And I have these lemons on hand. You can add the one that's from Dollar Tree. For the center, I will be adding this bow using a ribbon from Dollar Tree. If you want to see how I made this ribbon, you can find a link in the description box below. I wrapped the bow using the Chanel stem and just tied it on the wheel. And for the hello sign, I painted it with my linen white chalk paint, give it 2 coats, and I laid it out by the hole so that I can screw it to the wood. And here it is, it's very secure. And you can stop right here, but I have this mesh construction self-adhesive tape that I found in my stash, so I added it. And this was my inspiration from DIY with Amber. I really love her hello sign, that's why I created it. And this is what we created. So what do you think of this project? For the next DIY, you need this 2 boards from Dollar Tree. I'm using the one that's from Christmas, and I peeled off the paper. One of the other board, I painted it last Christmas and I'm just reusing it. Here I will apply this Gorilla Wood glue on the board using my hand with the gloves, and it feels like I'm baking or I'm cooking. Then I put it together. I did this because I want to have a thick and heavy duty board for my sign. And then I let it dry and I painted the board with my linen white Rust-Oleum chalk paint. I gave it 2 coats. I also printed the word welcome with my printer, and I can put the link on the description box below. You can have it for free, and I cut it into size. And for the letter O, I will be using this metal flower from Dollar Tree. And to transfer the word welcome, I will use the carbon paper that I got from Amazon. And I cut the carbon paper into size, then I will transfer the word using the carbon paper like this. And also don't forget to tape the paper so that it will not move. I just got the pen and transferred the word. It's very easy because the letters are straight, so I just use my ruler. I did the same thing with the other word and it looks like this. There are black marks from the carbon paper, so I just wipe it with the wet wipes. Then I grab my ink by Waverly and a flat small brush and painted the letters. Yes, this is time consuming but it's worth it. But if you have a Cricut machine, you can use or you can skip this part. And this is how it looks like. I really like the board because it's very thick. You cannot tell that it's from Dollar Tree. And we will be adding some borders. I just put painter's tape and painted the board with the ink by Waverly like this. And to attach the metal flower, I cut a small piece of wood and hot glued it on the back of it. I also added super glue because I want this to have a long hold. This is the inspiration of this project. I really love her project. It's from Crafty Cathy, and here is what we created. For this DIY, you need 5 wood planks from Dollar Tree. I painted it with my white linen white chalk paint, and while the paint is drying, I grabbed some giant craft sticks and stained it with my antique wax. I just used the wet wipes to stain it, and then I laid it out like this with 1 inch gap between each of the wood planks. Then I mark the sticks so that I will know where to put the hot glue. Then I did the same thing with the other wood planks and craft sticks. But I realized it was a mistake that I glued the craft sticks on the wrong side. As you can see, it's on the white paint, on the white side. It should be on that side. But it's okay, I just painted the planks white. And here I will put the word relax. You can use the stickers from Dollar Tree, but I used the paper stencils that I've got from Walmart. I used the foam brush and the ink by Waverly. I just dab the paint on the stencil. And it looks like this. The letter X from the word relax doesn't look like X. So I ended up changing it at the end. And here I'm just marking or putting some borders using the Sharpie. And I just draw some lines on the side and it looks amazing. And this project is already done, but here is the time that I hand painted the letter X. So what I did, I sanded the letter and then painted it again with the linen chalk paint and draw the letter X. Then I added this hanger so that we can hang it. And this is the inspiration of this project from Creation by Fabi. And this is what we created. For this DIY, you need this two 8x10 wood frames from Dollar Tree and scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. First, I removed this thing from the back of the backings of the frame because we don't need it, and I just traced the backings on the scrapbook paper. This DIY is very easy. I just load the scrapbook paper on the printer facing downward, and I also made the printable. If you like it, you can have it. I will put it on the description box below, and it looks like this. Just load it on the frame and hang it, then you're done with this DIY. And this was my inspiration for this project from Lovely Moments Creating. And this is what we created. So what do you think of this project? I put it on our deck, and I also tried to put it near the relax sign, and I think it looks great there. So tell me on the comment below, what do you prefer, on the deck or near the relax sign? So yeah, that's it guys. Here's the final look of all of our project. Thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what's your favorite. Again, don't forget to visit the playlist. Bye bye guys, see you on my next DIY. Take care and God bless you all.